So many people hungry around the world. The reality is that we as a global community are actually quite wasteful of food. So about a third of all food that is produced is wasted.
And at the same time, the number of people who need that food is growing again. And food banking provides the link between those two.
No matter where you live in the world, there's hungry people. And we really believe that the way to combat that is to have local organizations and local solutions. We want those solutions to be locally owned. So we partner with local leaders. We really try to empower those that want to found food banks and launch them, to give them the business plans that they need to help them understand how they can build a good governance model for their boards, how they can connect with local funding resources, and how to make sure they have the food standards in place to handle food safely, nutritiously, and interact properly with social service agencies.
Back in 2006, in Mexico City, at the presidential house, we get together with the food bankers of Argentina, from USA, and from Canada. And we together, these four nations, found the Global Food Banking Network.
One of the biggest benefits that we have in our relationship with GFN is this knowledge platform that they provide, where we can share our experiences, our initiatives, our successes, and also our failures, because we are aiming to be better food bankers. So we feel very supported by GFN when we are defining a strategic plan or a public policy initiative. We know that we can count on them.
As food banks grow, we help them accelerate. And once they reach a mature phase, we connect them to their peers around the world.
Food bankers who previously felt like they were doing it on their own, and the closest food bank was 8,000 miles away, and they didn't have any connection to anybody. And today they're really well connected with each other, and they're mentoring each other, and they're sharing resources and sharing information, which is just having a huge impact.
So much of the conversation around hunger in today's day and age is not just about the quantity of calories that you're giving, but also about the quality of the food that you're providing. And a lot of food banks in our network are doing incredibly innovative things to advance nutrition, and we want to come along beside them as their partner, support those efforts, and really help them expand that work.
So I'm so proud of being a food banker. Food banking is about changing life. The first life that is changed is my life, is the life of the food bankers.